Which are we have seen? Tell me first. कौन कौन सा देखा हमने? Yes. नहीं हमने फर्स्ट कौन सा देखा? There is an image classification. Then हस्त मुद्रा. Then we have seen पद मुद्रा. Then we have seen sitting posture. That is in a Sarir Mudra, sitting posture. Sorry, Sarir Mudra, and then I said asana. And thereafter we have seen vahanas. Understood? Yes, tell me, what is the meaning of Vaishnavam? One leg is what is it? Crossed behind the hip, on the other thigh hip, and thereafter I said that one is hanging down, and it is related to Padmudra. It is in a sitting posture यार, आसना, वैष्णवम. तो ध्यान में रखना, वहां पे लिखा रहेगा वैष्णवम, एंड देयर इज हस्त मुद्रा, पद मुद्रा, एंड अदर मुद्रा, मैच इट. फिर उसके साथ तुम लोग क्या करना, सिटिंग पोस्चर की जगह नहीं पद मुद्रा से मैच करना. So they try to what is giving the simple things, and then बच्चे जिसको इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते, इसी सब चीजों को इम्पोर्टेंस नहीं देते हैं. Therefore they are not able to make it. So I said that next one we are going to see मुकुट. मुकुट समझते हो ना? हेड गियर्स, अपने बालों का मुकुट. एंड देन शादियों में देखो गर्ल्स आर मेकिंग सो मेनी मुकुटास. पीछे से भी उड़ता रहता है. सो आई सेड दैट जटा मुकुटा. शिव जी का पता होगा ना? व्हाट इज देयर? जटा मुकुटा. सो विच गोइंग टू सी? Jata Mukuta, Karanda, Krita, and then Sristraka. I said that. Which are the Mukuta? I said that. Jata. Hairs are arranged in a long braids. Yes or not? पूरा अच्छे से braids में कर लेते हैं. उसके बाद that is I said that. इसको हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे? Just tell me. Hairs are arranged in a long braids and then get together. It is in a Jata Mutika, and then tied around the head. It is known as which? Jata Mutika. And then Karanda, a tall conical headgear is my tying hair above the. Tall conical headgear is made by tying hair above the head. So first we will take the hair. It is in a which kind of it? Conical. Which kind of it? नहीं समझे. The hair will be in the first one, Jata Mutika. बाल को उसमें ये नहीं करते हैं. बाल is like this, hair is like this, and thereafter, clear? And Jata Mukuta. And the Karanda. And Karanda, what is there? I don't know what is this. And thereafter, so it becomes which one? So it is in a Karanda. And ये कौन करते हैं? वासुदेव. क्लियर? इससे क्या हो जाती है? 16,000 रानियां. So Kirita. Means if you behave like feminine, then feminine get what is attracted by this. And then Kirita, a short conical headgear is made by tying the hair. सब छोटा हो जाए तो क्या बोलेंगे? बड़ा हो जाए तो Karanda. And छोटा हो जाए तो Kirita. Karanda, and then I said that Kirita. And then I said that Sirastraka. Sir समझते हैं? What is the meaning of it? Head. And the headgears are heavy but remain loosely tied in this. So headgears are remain over there, but it is आप लोग देखो loosely tied. What is I said that? Headgears are there but remain loosely tied. It is known as I said that. So Yaksha and Yakshini may will be able to see that there is an I say loosely tied. So which are the types of headgears or mukuta? Jatakat mukuta, Jatta mukuta, and then is a Siva, in which the whole hair has been taken and then well arranged, and thereafter killer, and thereafter we have seen Karanda. And in Karanda I said that long conical, and Krita is small conical. Krita and then I said that very loosely packed what? Loosely packed, कुछ भी बना लो, simple. It is known as what? Saristraka. Understood? Sorry, Siristraka. Next one we are going to see Abhushana. Abhushana. And then I said that ornaments, gods and goddesses are equally what is wearing these Abhushnas. Yes? And then first it is in a Karna Abhushana. And all of you are knowing that Karnavali and then Karnapura. Jab Karnavali it is in a what by the female and Karnapura by the male. Karnavali, Karnapura. Or it is not Kamapura, it is in a Karna. K-A-R-N-A. Karnapura. So which are we have seen the two, what is the Karna Abhushan? Ear ornaments, Karnavali and Karnapura. After I said that Kant Abhushana. Which Abhushan? Kant Abhushan. And then I said that Kaustubha, Vajayanti, Niska. Kaustubha, Vajayanti and then Nisaka. एक्चुअली में क्या है ना कि जब कंठ आभूषण नहीं मिलता है वाइफ को तो वो कष्ट में रहती है. क्या रहती है? शी इज ऑलवेज इन द एंड जिस दिन मिल जाता है तो कष्ट क्या हो जाता है? विजय में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है. एंड देन शी इज हर नेम इज निसका. लेकिन वो निशा रात में, निशा मीन्स रात में पहन के निकलती है. शादी में जाना है, कहीं भी जाना है, इन द मैरिजेस एंड ऑल. आई सेड दैट कष्ट किसमें कन्वर्ट हो गया? कष्ट किसमें कन्वर्ट हुआ? विजय में. वैजयंती. यस और नो? और कब पहन के जा रही है? सो निशा का. रात मत नहीं, रात का वहां हो जाएगा. सो आई सेड दैट इन विच आर द कंठ आभूषण? कौस्तुभा, वैजयंती एंड देन निष्का. एंड विच आर द कर्ण आभूषण? Karnavali, Karnapura. Understood? Thereafter we are going to see Vaksh Abhushan, chest. And then I said that Channa Veera. क्या हमने बोला? And then Kukka Bandha and Srivastava. हमने क्या बोला? Yes? हमने क्या बोला? चन्ना वीरा. मतलब यहाँ से बांधा हुआ रहता है and there it is hanging down and यहाँ पर एक नीचे में चना होता है छोटा सा. आपने देखा होगा. इट इज एन होल्डिंग लाइक दिस. यहाँ पर छोटा सा. दैट इज एन. एंड ये क्या आपका हो जाएगा? कुक्का बंधा. विच वन इज बैक साइड से चाहे यहाँ से कुक्का बंधा. हमने क्या बोला? विच आई सेड दैट चन्ना. विच आई सेड दैट. यहाँ पे क्या लटक रहा है? जस्ट टेल मी. चन्ना. व्हाट इज देयर? अरे नहीं समझे लोग. चोली बांधते हैं एंड देयर आफ्टर इट इज कमिंग डाउन. देन इट इज यहाँ पे दो बड़े बड़े से होते हैं. व्हाट इज नोन एज Channa Veera. What is I said that? Channa Veera. And then I said that is in a what? And then Srivastava ji यही देखते रहते. I said that. So Channa Veera, Kukka Bandha, Srivastava. So which are that we have seen? Tell me first. नहीं. First we have seen Karnabhushana, Karnavali, Karnapura. And I said that which I said that? Kanthabhushana. And Kanthabhushana, which I said that? Kaustubha, Vajayanti, Nisaka. Just a story to dhyan rakh with Nisaka. And thereafter, which one come? Yes, I said Vakshabhushana. And then Channaveera. And then Kukabandha. And then I said Srivastava. And thereafter I said that Kati Abhushana. And then I said Kanchi Dama. And then Kati Bandha. And मेखला. Just see this picture. In this picture you will see that बहुत सारे कांच हैं. Yes or not? और सभी कटी पे हैं. कटी का मतलब ही होता है hip and this portion, waist. And I said that कांच and also there is a कटी and there is का मेला लगा हुआ है, मेखला. So I said कांच on the कांच का मेला on the कटी. कांच का मेला on the. So which one you have seen then? कांची. Which one you have said that? Kanchi Dama Mekhla. Kanchi Dama Mekhla and Kati Bandha. So which are the Abhushana on the? I said that Kati Abhushana. Kanchi Dama. And then we have seen Kati Bandha. And then I said Mekhla. So we have seen that Abhushana. And which abhushan we are seeing? First, yes, Karn, Kant, yes, and then I said that Vaksh, and then Kati. Karn, Kant, and then Vaksh, and then I said Kati Abhushna. And all they have their own meaning. So we have seen that which are the things we have seen. Yes, tell me first. Yes. Which are the books of the north? Which are the books of the north? Yes, tell me. याद है आप लोगों को? वास्तु शास्त्र, अपराजित प्रच्छ, and then prakasa, samranga, sutradhara. And which is the books of south? I said that Maya Sura, Maya Mata, and then Sakal Adhikara. And कैसा है सकल? Yes. कोई मत भेद नहीं कर सकते आप, कोई भेद मतभेद नहीं है. Yes or not? Am sum madbeda. Am sum madbeda. Understood it? So these are the 4 books we have seen, and thereafter 4 texts, and a part of it there is an, I said that there are some, I said, क्या देखा था हमने? Yes, tell me. Image making and all classification we have seen, and then first we have seen that there is an, what is the image classification? Portability, yes, portability, completeness, countenance, and thereafter we have seen Hast Mudra, and the Mudra, how many Hast Mudra? 64, and then how many we have seen? 7, and then what are the 7? Abhay Mudra, Dhyan Mudra, Dhyan Mudra, understood? And then we have seen, no, Tarpan, and then I said Sparsh Mudra, and then I said Dharma Chakra, and then last one Varada. Which one I said that? Varda Mudra. Thereafter we have seen that Hast Mudra. After that Varda Mudra means, what is the meaning of Varda Mudra? Yes, compassion. And then I said that another, I said the Pad Mudra, and then Pad Mudra. Which are the Pad Mudra? Vaishnavam, and then Vaishnavam, Alidham, Udarbandha. बिना देखे बोलो, do not see toward this. Given a pressure on your mind here. Sampada and Ardha Sampada. Yes, which are the pada? First I said that Vaishnavam, Alidham, and Udarbandha. वहां पे दिख जाएगा जब बार बार प्रैक्टिस करोगे ना, and that will be utilized. Which are the types of mudraएं that they discuss in few words. So then you can be able to discuss. Then I said that वहां पे सोचोगे कौन कौन सा मुद्रा होता है. हस्त मुद्रा, आंख मुद्रा, पता नहीं कौन कौन से मुद्रा है, आप लिख कर आ जाओगे. जब पता नहीं रहेगा तो you can do the several mudraएं, अपने आप से origin हो जाएगा. So there will be one text will be written on you itself that you have developed such kind of mudra. So which are the after that which mudra we have seen after Pad Mudra? Sarir Mudra. And Sarir Mudra, which I said that Abhang, Sambhang, Sambhang में ऐसे भी है dance, and then Ati Bhanga and Tribhanga. Understood? And thereafter which mudra we have seen? Asan Mudra. And which are the Asan Mudra? Ardha Priyanka. Ardha Priyanka. Putting it there, and then legs is hanging. Understood? Leg is hanging. And both the legs are crossed together behind the hips and all. It is known as Priyanka. And after that we have seen Utkutika. It is on the hills. It is on the hills. And then famous for Buddha. Pralam Pada. Yes, Pralam. दोनों ही लंबे हैं पदा. And then hanging. Another we have seen after that. Yes, क्या देखा था? Vahana. And then 2 important Vahana जो आपको नहीं पता है. That is in a kurma for कर्म कौन करते रहता है? Who is doing lots of karma throughout the life? For 200, 300. It is what? Tortoise. And thereafter Gad Dabha. And who is this? Donkey. And rest all of you are knowing. Thereafter we have seen some, I said, Abhushna, And which are the Abhushana we have seen? Karn, Kant, Vach, Kati. And Karn mein Karnavali, Karnapura, Karnavali, Karnapura. And thereafter, just tell me. And what is the name? Kantha, Kaustubha, Vajanti, Nisaka. Thereafter I said Vach. And then what is the name? Channavira. And then Kukabandha. And then I said that's Srivastav. And then Kati, that is Kanchidama, Katibandha, and then Mekhla. Understood it? So these are we have seen. And then some headgear